Helen, what are you doing after classes?
Well, today I have a swimming practice. I have it every Wednesday and Saturday.
Oh, I see. And what about tomorrow?
Tomorrow's Thursday, right? I play volleyball on Thursdays and Fridays.
That's a pity. And what about Sunday?
I think I don't have any sports activities on Sundays, but I have my piano lessons then.
Listen to the dialogue once again and tell what kinds of sports were mentioned in it. Keeping fit is very important in the life of every person. Sport is one of the best ways to keep fit. Let's have a look at different kinds of sport. 1. Windsurfing. 2. Squash. 3. Cricket. 4. Rugby. 5. Badminton. 6. Long jump. 7. High jump. 8. Tennis. 9. Water polo. 10. Javelin throwing. 11. Volleyball. 12. Scuba diving. 13. Hurdles. 14. Ice hockey. 15. Aerobics. 16. Karate. 17. Gymnastics. 18. Basketball. 19. Snowboarding. 20. Jogging. 21. Climbing. 22. Cycling. 23. Football. 24. Golf. 25. Swimming. Repeat these words once again. We can play some sports, we can do some sports, and we even can use the verb go with some kinds of sports. Let's have a closer look. Do. Do javelin throwing. Do aerobics. Do hurdles. Do gymnastics. Do karate. Do long jump. High jump. Go. Go cycling. Go windsurfing. Go snowboarding. Go scuba diving. Go climbing. Go jogging. Go swimming. Play. Play volleyball. Play water polo. Play rugby. Play badminton. Play ice hockey. Play tennis. Play squash. Play golf. Play basketball. Play football. Play cricket. What sports do you go to? What sports do you play? What sports do you do? Sport can unite people. That's why sometimes we invite somebody to join us, and sometimes we have to accept or even refuse an invitation. Let's have a look at these phrases. Invitation. 1. Would you like to? 2. What about? 3. Are you doing anything? 4. How about? Saying yes, no to the invitation. 1. Sure, why not? 2. That would be lovely. 3. That's a great idea. 4. I'd love to. 5. I'm sorry, but I can't. 6. I'm afraid I can't.